Hi, I'm Peter Butler, celebrity hairdresser and frequent guest contributor. I'm going to show you how to get the Guess Girl bombshell look with a twist. I'm here with Yara.
Hey guys.
And we are going to show you today how to get that classic Guess Girl bombshell look. So I did a blow dry on Yara's hair. I blew it dry with my blow dryer with like a large paddle brush. I love a large paddle brush. And I blew dry everything forward. I'm not looking for a lot of volume on the head. I'm looking for the volume to actually occur through the texture that we create down here. So same with the top sections. I blow dry it down and all forward so that it moves and kind of opens away from the face. I use 3 different tools to get and create the texture. I spray my section and then I grab whichever tool I'm working with first, which is this round barrel curling iron, and I'll wrap a couple of twists and let that cool. And then I'll grab my next section, spray a little bit. This is a curling wand. And I'm not necessarily always curling something towards the face, just inconsistent texture to give that kind of rough feeling to the hair. This is actually a flat iron, so kind of flatten down some of the waves, and I just put a nice bend into the hair. And then I take a wide tooth comb normally, and I just pull the hair away from the head and comb through it. This is Yara, and this is our final look. The modern bombshell Guess Girl. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you again.
It was our pleasure. I will see you soon. Пока-пока.
Пока-пока.